September 23rd, 2020 vocabulary. Directions. Draw a line from the word in the left column, or the term, to the definition in the right column. So we're going to take these little arrows and we are going to click on them, and then you'll be able to drag them to whichever you think the definition is that matches. So let's take a look. If you look over here, we can start with the easiest that you might know more of first. So, for example, down here, difference in sum. Well, I know that sum has to deal with addition. Okay, so I know that sum is going to be an answer to an addition problem. So I'm going to take this arrow, and I see it right over here, the answer to an addition problem. I got that done. I'm going to click kind of off of it. Okay. How about difference? So if the sum was an answer to an addition problem, then difference is going to be the answer to, yes, a subtraction problem. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that there. Now we have 3 more terms left. We're rolling right along through this. We can look at evaluate. So what is evaluate? Is it an acronym? No. Is it rules? No. To solve or find the value of? Yeah, evaluate. To solve or find the value of. So that's what evaluate is. Now we have 2 terms that go together. So let's start with the order of operations. So is the order of operations an acronym for the words parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction? Not quite, but it goes along with that. But the order of operations themselves are the rules that state the sequence in which the multiple operations in an expression should be solved. So that we are going to drag that arrow right here, which leaves us with PEMDAS, or P-E-M-D-A-S, or please excuse my dear Aunt Schnaterbeck, or if you like, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I was getting carried away today in class with our dear Aunt Schnaterbeck. All right, so this is indeed the acronym that goes for the words parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And that is our vocabulary for the 23rd.